Any last words, Zigug Jiggly blah blah blah? I don't know what to say. Okay, and what's the second challenge? The second challenge is to kill this whore. Who? Me? Yes, you. Heptagon can't kill that girl. Heptagon is too weak. I will kill her. Yay, I win.